In this video, I will show some basic functionality of Ketcher Molecules mode, such as drawing simple molecular structures and using static objects, and I will be doing that using Ketcher version 2.25.0. So let's start by drawing a pretty simple molecule called theobromine, whose skeleton consists of a hexagon and a pentagon. For that, I will be needing the bond tool. As you can see, my drawing is not the best, but luckily, Ketcher has a cleanup option that, when clicked, will redraw my molecule nicely. I need to add a few more single bonds here, and a few more double bonds that I will select from the bond menu. Some of these carbons need to be replaced with nitrogens and oxygens, and I will do that by selecting them from the sidebar. And now we have a nicely drawn structural formula of theobromine. I would like to add some text to accompany my structure, and I can do that using the Add Text tool and clicking somewhere on canvas. I have a few text formatting options. So to start, I will make the font size just a little bit bigger, make theobromine bold, and the Latin name italic. I'm also able to write the molecular formula properly with numbers in subscript. Now I would like to add a picture, and I will do that using the Add Picture tool and clicking somewhere on canvas. I'll resize the picture and place it nicely. To tie all of this together, I will add another static object, a rectangle, to act as a frame. I would like to slightly move our theobromine structure, and I can do that more easily using our lasso selection tool. In another tab, I have similar frames for two more substances, amoxicillin and beta-carotene, but I'm missing the structural formulas. So let's draw them. Amoxicillin is a little bit more complex, so this time I will start with a template, our benzene template. Add a few more bonds, a cyclobutane, and a cyclopentane. Another way to draw a double bond is just by clicking with a single bond twice. And another way to replace atoms is by using keyboard shortcuts. Pressing O gives me oxygen, pressing N gives me nitrogen, and H gives me hydrogen. A sulfur is needed here, and I can add it from the keyboard by pressing S. I can add it from the sidebar, or I can add it directly from the periodic table. Now this structure is just missing a few stereo bonds, who I will also find in the bond menu. Let's move this amoxicillin to the side and move on to beta-carotene. Beta-carotene is a larger molecule, but it also happens to be symmetric. So I'll start with using a cyclohexane template. I will add a few more bonds. To more easily add an alkyl chain, I will be using our chain tool. A few more bonds. I will select part of the molecule, copy and paste, select again, and do a horizontal flip and a vertical flip. I will move one half in such a way that they form a singular structure, and just with slight adjustment, we've managed to draw perfectly nice beta-carotene. To unite these two substances with our theobromine from the beginning, I will export this canvas to one of many file formats Ketcher offers, this time to the Ketcher ket file. I will go back to the original tab and load the structure. And with just a few slight adjustments, this canvas is now ready to be exported, for example, into PNG and use it in presentations or papers. Thank you.